All right, everyone. It's time for our basketball break for the week. This was our weekly steal below retail price. I believe. Yeah, it was dirt cheap. So, filled up pretty quickly, if I recall correctly. This should be a good break. Zion, Ja, Tyler Hero's doing really well. Lots of good rookies from this class. We're doing 4 mega boxes, 4 blaster boxes. We'll go with the blaster boxes first. There's primarily emerald parallels, which you can't. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes that they're parallels, and then sapphire parallels on the mega boxes, and then you have ruby and yellow in those boxes as well. Ruby for the blasters, yellow for the mega boxes. I believe both of those parallels are numbered, so they're going to be pretty hard to come by, but we'll probably get 1 or 2, and there's a decent chance of autographs as well. So let me switch over to our randomizer. If you're new here, we are going to throw it all into this randomization. Got everybody's names listed here, unrandomized. Put it in this random.org, shuffle it up 7 times, drop it into the spreadsheet, and see what everybody got. So we're going. Gonna copy and paste, and then I will be reading out the results as well. All right, here we go. Matthew O has the Hawks. Thomas J has the Celtics. David P has the Nets. Thomas J has the Hornets. Matthew S has the Bulls. David P has the Cavs. Sean E has the Mavericks. Lewis D has the Nuggets. Jeff P has the Pistons. James M has the Warriors. Sean B has the Rockets. Lewis D has the Pacers. James M has the Clippers and Lakers. Dan T has the Grizzlies. David P has the Heat. Sean B has the Bucks. Lewis D has the T-Wolves. David P's got the Pelicans and the Knicks, so 2 solid spots there. Thunder. David P has the Magic. John R has the Sixers. Matthew F has the Suns. Lewis D has the Blazers. John R has the Kings. Lewis D has the Spurs. Matthew F has the Raptors. Anthony P has the Jazz, and Brian M has the Wizards. So best of luck, everyone. We'll be doing the blasters first. Should be getting a pretty good amount of rookie cards here. And we'll be moving pretty quickly through this break. It can be a bit time consuming going through all these vets, so we'll kind of go through that part pretty quickly. Here's a James Harden Astounding acetate insert. Big fan of the acetate inserts in this product. Here's Joe Ingles, and then off the bat, Zion Williamson. Should hopefully be getting a pretty good portion of Zion and Ja rookie cards out of this product. Nothing guaranteed, but my experience out of this many boxes should be at least a couple of each. This is a True Holiday. This is I believe the Emerald Parallel. It's barely different than the other cards. I'm not sure how well you can see. It's a Sekou Diamba rookie card. Unfortunately, these packs or these cards are a little bit of the Pringles can thing going on. I hope this is not the case for all of these. Career lineage: Russell Westbrook. Emerald is Mike Conley here. Jackson Hayes rookie card. Ty Jerome. Keandre Hunter rookie card. Chris Middleton season highlights. Nasir Little is the rookie card in that pack. And that is it for Blaster number 1. Rookie Reflections: Cam Reddish, Vince Carter. Kelvin Johnson rookie as well. Emerald of Hassan Whiteside. Kai Bowman rookie. Emerald of Luke Kennard. Jalen Noel rookie. Got Tyler Hero Instant Impact insert. Goga Mataze rookie card there as well. Looks like we got acetate here. There's a Devin Booker Mystique green acetate card. Rui Hachimura rookie card there as well. Yeah, and it looks like we got probably an autograph. This is upside down here, so thinking Hornets colors. And that'd be correct. PJ Washington. And that's a rookie auto too. Solid autograph out of this product. Let's go into Thomas J. Congrats, Thomas. I don't know if I've hit a rookie autograph. Pulled one out of these boxes, so that's a really good one. Especially out of the blaster. We're not even on the mega boxes yet. And that is Blaster 2. Living Legends Allen Iverson acetate card. Jordan Poole rookie there at the bottom as well. Oh, wow. Another autograph, it looks like. Bull rookie there. Autograph is Marial Shayok of the Philadelphia 76ers. I have not heard of this person before. But it's so nice to get an autograph here. Was not expecting that. It's a rookie auto, and that is going to John R. Congrats, John. Thomas, this is 2019-20, not 2021. Seka Diyamba Instant Impact. Fortunately, I haven't seen any retail illusions from this year yet. The PJ Washington base rookie. Career lineage, Anthony Davis. Naz Reid rookie. That's it for Blaster 3. On to Blaster 4. Another PJ Washington rookie. Naz Reid rookie card. Taco Fall. Rookie Reflections of Cam Reddish. Isaiah Roby rookie card. Looks like acetate card in here. It is a Bradley Beal Green Mystique acetate card. And we got John Morant base. Need to get some more sleeves out. And last blaster pack. Yes, the acetate is a Rockets card of Harden. The Harden card is a Rockets card, rather. Devin Booker Emerald, Darius Garland rookie card. Let's move on to mega boxes. 6 cards per pack. 10 packs per box. Career lineage, Shaquille O'Neal. Ty Jerome rookie card. Cub and Gailey, this is Sapphire parallel. Jeff Culver and Matisse Thybulle rookie cards as well. And this is a parallel. It is a Rookie Reflections of Nasir Little and Clyde Drexler. It is numbered to 199. I believe it's 195 out of 199 for the Blazers spot. Keldon Johnson, Kai Bowman rookies there as well. Shining Stars Ben Simmons acetate card. For these mega boxes, the acetate cards will be blue parallels. So another 76ers acetate card. Cow Guy rookie there as well. Jimmy Butler Sapphire. Jalen Noel rookie card. Goran Dragic. This is a yellow parallel. It is numbered to 149. I believe that is 146 out of 149 for the Miami Heat. Bataze Hachimura rookie cards there as well. Bataze Instant Impact. Kevin Porter Jr. rookie card. Yep, I saw this pack felt a little thick. We got an RJ Barrett base, Terrence Davis base rookie, and looks like an autograph. It is Royce O'Neal of the Utah Jazz. That's going to Anthony P. Congrats, Anthony P. Royce O'Neal is a pretty solid role player for the Jazz. I believe he's still with the Jazz. DeJounte Murray Sapphire card is in there as well. I believe I pulled one of those Royce O'Neal autos when I opened one of these way back when too, so. Jason Tatum Sapphire. Cam Reddish base rookie. Last pack of Mega Box 1. Clear shots of Devin Booker. Acetate card. Kendrick Nunn and Kobe White rookie cards. Going to Mega Box number 2. Romeo Langford rookie. Anthony Davis season highlights. There we go. John Morant rookie card. 2 Jaws now. Yikes. Oh wow. Luka Doncic Sapphire parallel. Like the look of that one. And we have another yellow parallel numbered. James Harden for the Rockets. It is numbered 138 out of 149. Got an acetate card of Joel Embiid. So another Phillies acetate card. Or sorry, Philadelphia 76ers acetate card. And another James Harden acetate card, Shining Stars. And a Zion as well. That is the second Zion rookie card. Kevin Knox Sapphire. Yeah, Harden gets a lot of love in this product. Chris Middleton Sapphire. Jackson Hayes rookie. DeAndre Hunter rookie. Instant Impact of RJ Barrett. This here little rookie card as well. Jalen Noel Sapphire rookie card. Cam Johnson and Terrence Mann rookies as well. We are on to Mega Box number 3. Ben Simmons Sapphire. Bruno Fernando rookie card. Oh! Jerry Lucas autograph. New York Knicks. Was not expecting that to pop up there. That's going to David P. Congrats, David. Another autograph. Admiral Schofield, Nickel Walker, Alexander rookies there as well. Brandon Ingram, Sapphire. Taco Fall. Dame Lillard season highlights card. Darius Garland rookie there as well. Looks like we got a parallel. Instant Impact. PJ Washington. Let me check out the numbering on this. It is number 7 out of 199. So I guess a Sapphire parallel. So another nice PJ Washington card there. And a PJ Washington base rookie and Nas Reed as well. Got an acetate Mystique Trae Young. With, unfortunately, it looks like Piece of his hair is missing. Career lineage, James Harden. Jordan Poole. Tremont Waters, Sapphire rookie card. Daniel Gafford, Colo Melli. Acetate card, Living Legends, John Stockton. Tremont Waters and Darius Baisley rookie cards as well. Last pack of Mega Box number 3. And we got a numbered card. It is a yellow parallel of Marcus Smart, numbered to 149 for the Celtics. And a Ja Morant base rookie as well. And that's it for Mega Box 3. One more to go. And will we get another autograph? That is the question. Got a pretty good success rate on that. Jake Layman Sapphire. Naz Reid and Tactical Fall rookies. Miles Bridges Sapphire. Darius Baisley and Lucas Samanic. Not sure. Got that right there. Kendrick Nunn Rookie Reflections. Romeo Langford rookie card. Acetate of CJ McCollum, Astounding. And another Ja Morant rookie card. Giannis season highlights. Isaiah Roby rookie card. Steph Curry Sapphire. Very nice get there. Nasir Little rookie card. Jackson Hayes and DeAndre Hunter rookie cards. Got Starlight Parallel. Only one we got of this so far. Of Bradley Beal. Two more packs to go. Very nice. LeBron James. Mystique for the Lakers. It's an awesome looking acetate card right there. And our last pack. For the break. And actually get it out. Sapphire of Nicolo Melli and another Zion. So very nice Pelicans pack there. Alright, so let's recap. That was a pretty solid break for a very low cost retail product. When we get all of these Mystique cards, don't want to go through all of them. Some nice low numbered parallels as well. Harden, the Doncic Sapphire, Steph Curry Sapphire. Let's see what else here. Yeah, a lot of solid cards I'm kind of looking past. We got all these autographs, so it looks like we got 4. We got 3 Zion Williamson rookies, 4 Ja rookies, and a lot more acetate. Good amount of numbered cards as well. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased with this this break. It would have been nice to get some sort of parallel Zion or Ja, but you really can't complain too much. We got a lot of solid veteran cards, so I'd say it worked out pretty well. Congrats to everybody who hit. Seems like everything was pretty balanced, which is nice to see. Check out the website. Next week we're doing 2020-2021 Panini Revolution Chinese New Year boxes. So these are Asia exclusives. They are like in between they're more like hobby boxes than retail. But we're doing a tiered break for that one, and what that means is basically you're gonna buy one spot, and that's gonna get you 2 teams. One from tier A, which is like the more desired teams: Hornets, Warriors, Wolves, etc. Then tier B, which is the less desired teams. So you're gonna get 1 of each. So I figure that's a good way to kind of help even the spread a little bit. And I'm trying to try out some new types of breaks here since we've got more people coming along, and it's pretty exciting, and want to make sure we can do different things for different people who are looking for different experiences. So yeah, check that out. The website will be updated tonight. The breaks are already on there. And if you buy 2 spots from any break, it's 10% off for next week. And the prices should be pretty fair on all those breaks. Try not to charge anything too expensive as usual. So thanks for joining. If you're here for the basketball break only and you're heading out, we will see you next time. Check out the website, sign up for the email list, subscribe to the YouTube, so on and so forth. You know the deal. Take care, everybody.